Hi, and welcome to Naga Masala Cooking Show. Today, we're going to make Chilli Paneer. Before we start, please like and subscribe to our cooking channel. Okay, let's roll tape. Okay, so what do we need? We need 1 chopped pepper, a kilo of chili paneer cut into cubes, about a handful of spring onions, and a handful of chopped mushrooms. And the most important ingredient, of course, soya sweet, or sweet and sour. Okay, so we begin with a little bit of oil poured into the pan. Now you need a fair amount, but not too much. You just want to get the pan nice and hot. Okay, and then as the oil is heating up, we're going to add the peppers first into there and let that saute. Put that on the side. As you can probably hear now, that's cooking up. Now with this, you want to add the mushrooms as well. You want to have those sauteed too, and this will take about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit more. And you want to be cooking this on medium to high flame. You probably might need a bigger wok than what I've got here, but I think this will be just fine, I think. Okay, so what you want to do is to reduce this by sauteing it in the oil. You might want to add a little bit of oil, a little bit more, and a pinch of salt. So this will take about 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see, it's sauteing nicely and smelling good as well. So I'll see you in 5 to 10 minutes. This has now been cooking for about 5 minutes now, and as you can see, it's going nice and brown. I've kind of lowered the flame a bit down to medium because it's cooking real fast. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the spring onions. Now we add the paneer, because this is now reduced just right. So we're adding the paneer now, straight in, a kilo. And what we have to do with this again is just do the same thing, saute it. And what's going to happen to the paneer here, as you can see right now, it's quite stiff. So what we're going to do is gently cook this on low flame. Okay, so we're going to gently cook this on low flame. What's going to happen to the paneer, it's all going to loosen up. It's going to become very soft. So what you want to do is gently mix everything in, and this again will take around 10 minutes. So I will see you back in 10 minutes when this is ready. Okay, now this has now been cooking for just over 10 minutes, and as you can see, pretty much everything in the pan here has reduced, and the paneer, as you can probably see, well, I'm just going to pick one here, is really soft. I mean, look at that. That's just like loosey-goosey. So now that is done, what we're going to do, we're going to add the soya sweet. Grab a pot, there you go, that's the soya sweet. Tear the tab off, open it up, and just pour it in. Just want to get it all out. Take it all out, there you go, all into the pan. And then what you do, on a medium flame, is just mix it all in. And that's it. For the next 10 minutes more, 10 maybe 15, you just keep mixing, because you don't want it to stick to the pan. Just keep mixing this around. Beautiful, look at the smell, is just amazing. Oh God, I wish you could I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right now. For the next 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes actually, on low flame, just keep cooking away. Just keep stirring, that's all you have to do. because this is basically ready. You just want all the juices to get everywhere, all the paneer, all the onions, and the mushrooms are getting cooked in there. Beautiful. I'm just going to keep stirring this for about another 10-15 minutes. And that's it. And there you have it, folks. Chilli Paneer. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And you can also buy these tubs online at chilidirect.net. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this. You can have it with rice. You can have it with wraps. Now, if you are not a vegetarian, then of course you just substitute the kilo of paneer for a kilo of chicken. Other than that, you know, have fun. And I'll see you next time. Ciao for now.